from the void, undaunted. You didn't ask to be here, we know that's true, but here's the love we built just for you. If life's ever hard, know we're here to stay, to make sure you're safe in every way. We'll give our lives are yours, so you can walk through open doors. I remember the sound of your first loud cry in your mom's strong arms under heaven's sky. Your mom, she's beauty and strength combined, thanking the universe, 'cause you're both mine. Close as can be, you're always with her, following her footsteps upon so sure. Every place she goes, you want to be. Hold that closeness, keep it free, and you're growing fast, exploring too. 3 years old with the world so new. Trains, they're your world, your imagination so pure. Turning buses into trains, that magic's your allure. I tied those buses, made a train for you. Your mom laughed at the things we do, and you draw and you sing, you're far ahead, asking about God, big thoughts in your head. One day you may wonder why we're unknown. We're no great name, no empire grown, but remember in loving heart, we're one of richest families, never apart. We're rich in love, in dreams we share, in moments we've made, and how much we care. No high rank or title, but worth more than gold. This is the wealth that won't grow old. As you grow, you feel lost sometimes, wonder what it all means, fall in line. But that's okay, it's all just a phase, 'cause life's meaning is yours to make. Life's like Monopoly, play it wise. Collect all you can and don't compromise. Money can bring comfort, laughter and fun. It's not just paper, it's freedom to run. Money may not buy happiness whole, but it can build bridges, reach your goals. Just remember to live, laugh and play, while you gather your dreams each day. One day, if you feel the pull of power, think hard and long, give it an hour. Life's too short to drown in lies. Enjoy this world before the compromise. So remember, we're with you always. Even when we're gone, our love never fades. This life is a cycle, a journey we tread. Our spirit's beside you, love never dead. One day you may wonder why we're unknown. We're no great name, no empire grown, but remember in love and heart, we're one of richest families, never apart. We're rich in love, in dreams we share, in moments we've made, and how much we care. No high rank or title, but worth more than gold. This is the wealth that won't grow old. You're the gift we always wanted, called you from the stars, from the void, undaunted. You didn't ask to be here, we know that's true, but here's the love we built just for you. And you're growing fast, exploring too. 3 years old with the world so new. Trains, they're your world, your imagination so pure. Turning buses into trains, that magic's your allure.